Hello, air signs. Welcome to the Power of Three and me. My name's Amber. If you're returning, welcome back. It's February 2026, and we are looking at your love life and what's going on where that's concerned, if anything at all. I don't know. So it's general. Take what you can. Judge not that you be not judged. Hmm. Are you saying that to somebody, Aquarius, or are you saying it to yourself? I don't know. The overall energy, a lot of the readings the elements that I've done, and you're the last one. This first card has spoke a lot, but yours, not so much. So let's see what comes out of the true love reading cards for you. If you're an Aquarius, a Gemini, or a Libra, there could be a message here for you. The silver waterfall. The silver waterfall. Okay, what I'm kind of getting here is maybe somebody is judging you because you're living your best life. Maybe you're single. Okay, supporting energy. Got extra one for the overall too from the what is this called? What is that deck called again? Cards of Time. So it's helped out a lot, I feel. So this is the Healing Waters Oracle for the supporting energy for Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, February 2026. What is the supporting energy, please? What you got? Oh, you're the second element that has got this. Deep sea diving, way of the mystic, learn through experiencing and depths. I think what a lot of people don't understand is that the air signs have probably earned this silver waterfall, whatever that silver waterfall is. If it's silver, reminds me of possibly you might be, maybe you're semi-retired or you're retired early, and it just pisses people off. But they don't understand they weren't around for the first 3 quarters of your life. So they don't understand maybe that you've really earned it. And furthermore, it's none of their business, but let's see what comes out to help this out. Because this really doesn't have anything to do with your love life, does it? But maybe the air signs are happy the way they are, which is fine. Maybe you're just in love with your life the way it is. For the air signs, please. Got it. Card number 8. Everything is in progress. 8 days, 8 weeks. So there's movement here, but maybe you don't see it coming, air signs. And maybe you've got things in the works. Again, like I say, it's none of their business what you've got going on. Um, but there could be with this news. um, There could be something or somebody coming towards you. This is the Tarot of Mystical Moments for the mini spread. So let's see what comes out for Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, February 2026. For their highest good, please. What the heck is going on here? Hierophant. Um, somebody that maybe you were married to, somebody that, or somebody that you feel has knowledge above yours. It says learn through experiencing. So maybe you're going back to school or you're trying to learn from, I don't know, the Hierophant. It's card number 5, which is change. And card number 8 is movement, whether that's forward or backwards. 8 of Pentacles, work, see? Um, maybe you're going to take on more work. I don't know. Maybe you're going to start doing more work that you enjoy. One more for the air signs. 6 of Cups, the past. Hmm. With this Hierophant here, this and the 8 of Pentacles and the past, and I said before these came out, with this 8, you might have somebody coming towards you and not know it at all, be completely unaware. Um, but it could be somebody that, is going to reach out that you used to work with, or somebody that wants to work on things from the past and transform them. Let's see what's at the bottom. Now I know why your clarifier's here. 4 of Swords. Somebody's been heavily thinking about this movement towards you, or this is you. Um, Unaware. Just, going about your business and living your life. 3 of Wands behind that. There's waiting, timing. Everything is in progress. There's something coming towards you, air signs. We're going to clarify with tarot. What was it called? Tarot of Sexual Magic, I think it's called. So I don't know. Hang on to your hats there, air signs. Please clarify this reading about your love life. There's the Hierophant again. Clarify the Hierophant, please. Why is it here? For Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. King of Pentacles. Um, somebody, again, they are coming towards you, but you're unaware of it, and you're very, I think, what's the word I want to use? Caught off guard as well, because you're not expecting this. You don't know that this is in progress. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming towards you, trying to get you to come towards them, but you're not expecting it. You're caught off guard. You're not ready for it. Eight of Pentacles. For the air signs, please clarify the Eight of Pentacles. The Lovers. Again, somebody that you used to work with, or you used to date, or you used to be married to, because the Hierophant's here. They didn't choose you in the past. they did, and then chose others, or you chose to walk away from them because of their behavior. Six of Cups, what happened in the past? Why is it here for the air signs, please? As they're unaware that this person may be approaching King of Cups. Again, somebody that you cared for in the past is coming towards you. And there it is again, the Hierophant. So you could have been married to this person, air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Somebody that you were married to in the past is in the motion of um, coming towards you. And I think the significance here is that it may have been a very long time where you are much older now, much more experienced at life itself. So whatever happened in the past won't be happening again. We're getting your advice from the magical unicorns. I love this deck. And it's very helpful in its own unique way. Sometimes a little more so than other decks. I feel, I don't know, it's a very special deck for whatever reason to me. Let's get one on the silver waterfall with deep sea diving and everything is in progress. So things are gonna like when this person comes towards you, air signs, things are gonna get deep. Like you might have to pull things back from the past, bring them up again to remind somebody why you are taking the stance that you're taking, or whatever makes them think that they can come back towards you. Think they've got a rude awakening, but let's see what comes out for advice on this. Everything in progress, okay? You've got your card, but I gotta get this one. Oh, okay. All right, they want you to get both. So the first one is teamwork. Work with others to make this situation come about, which could be the person coming towards you. You are gifted. You are very intelligent and talented. So even though they might have help um, getting that path towards you from other people, perhaps it's not really going to matter. It's not going to help them too much, I don't think. Uh, Advice on this King of Pentacles under the Hierophant. Oh, there it is. Curiosity. Start a project related to something you're curious about. Um, Again, this is the Hierophant with the where you're not, this person is not comfortable here. Completely just like, no, I don't know what makes this person think that you're just gonna, walk right back to them. So I think you're just basically getting advice to just carry on and start something new. Because when this comes towards you, I think you want to be well within your realm of your gift and a project that is probably related to that gift. Okay, this is for the lovers under the Eight of Pentacles. Decide. It's time to clearly make a decision about what you want. See, and this person, I think the person that's coming towards you is doing that, but it's way too late. Way too late from what I see in this lover's card. And the butterflies, yeah, they're transforming, but so are you. You are under the silver waterfall. I feel like know at this point in time under that silver waterfall, they don't belong under there. They haven't earned the right to be in the silver waterfall. If they were to be under that silver waterfall with you, then whatever happened in the past wouldn't have happened. King of Cups under the Six of Cups, which is the past. Advice, please, for the air signs. King of Cups under the past. Hmm, very soon. What you're asking for will happen soon in a happy way. So you've got a king, you've got two kings here. Maybe this King of Cups here, air signs, might be somebody new in your life that you care about and cares about you. But this King of Pentacles is the one that's coming towards you. Things are in progress. You see, things are in progress for you guys in your life that you know it, maybe with this King of Cups, even though it's under the past has shrunk. If you look at this past, right, see how big this person is and how tiny these people are, and the balloons are just, like you've grown and it's not whatever's happened, you're over it now. Um, and you might be moving on with the King of Cups or hoping to, or just, focusing on that and starting a new project. But so that's in progress, but it's the things that are in progress with this King of Pentacles behind the scenes that you are unaware of coming towards you as well. So I think that's the point of all this. So you know that, um, and decide here in the middle, because that also goes for you guys as well. When this person comes towards you, you're gonna have to maybe decide between these two kings. But I say move forward, air signs. Don't look back. That's up to you. And you know what else is up to you? Keep showing up here and watching videos and not hitting the like button or possibly saying in the comments that you don't like the videos. Because I think I would rather that than people keep showing up, view the video, but there's no like, there's no comment. So I just wonder why you don't hit the like button because it's free and it takes half a second. And the immense support and change that it would to boost these videos would probably blow my mind. So if you don't like the video and that's why you don't hit the like button, go ahead and leave it in the comment that you don't like the channel or you don't like the video or I don't know. But that's the point is like if somebody didn't like the channel, they wouldn't keep coming back, right? So that's why I wonder maybe you just forget to hit the like button. I don't know. So just reminding you and thank you to those that may reach out and hit that like button. Thank you so much. This is the super attractor. And this is what we're closing out with for the air signs and advice for you to take away. You got. I trust that my powerful intentions combined with my faith are enough to allow my vision to become my reality. Very, very nice. I'm going to leave it there, air signs, and I hope that this has helped you. And if it doesn't resonate, I'm sorry about that. Maybe the next one will. But until I see you again for another one, take care of yourself. Bye for now.